welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken piccata. If you're not familiar with this recipe, it's basically chicken with lemon butter sauce and capers. It is so good and you can't go wrong with it. So let's get started. Okay guys, I have some chicken breasts here and we're going to start by pounding them. So go ahead and cover your chicken with a saran wrap, then grab a meat pounder and start pounding them. If you don't have a meat pounder, you can use any heavy object around your house that is reasonable to use, okay guys? So you want to pound your chicken until they're very flat. Pounding the chicken makes them extra tender and they cook faster and more evenly. Once the chicken is very well pounded, we're going to season them with some spices. So in this bowl, I have some black pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. Go ahead and mix them all together, then season your chicken very generously with your spices. Turn your chicken over and season the other side as well. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Next, we're going to dredge the chicken in flour, so go ahead and grab a piece and transfer onto a plate of flour. Then you're going to completely coat both sides of the chicken in the flour. Next, we're going to sear the chicken, so in a hot skillet over medium heat, go ahead and heat up some oil as well as butter. Let the butter melt into the oil and get really hot. Then grab your chicken, shake off the excess flour, and transfer it into the hot skillet. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan so the chicken can sear very well. Next, you're going to cook the chicken 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Once your chicken is nice and golden brown, go ahead and remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. Next, we're going to make the sauce for the chicken. So in the same skillet, go ahead and toss in some capers. Cook the capers for about 2 minutes and make sure you use your spatula to burst the capers a little. That really helps bring out their flavor more. Next, we're going to heat the pan with some white wine. The wine really enhances the flavor. We're also adding some chicken broth as well as the juice of a whole lemon. And don't forget to remove the lemon seeds if any gets into the sauce, okay guys? Mix everything together and let the sauce simmer for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to toss in some cold butter. Adding cold butter prevents the butter fat from separating, so the butter mixes in much better. Go ahead and mix everything in until the butter is nice and melted. Then it's time to add the chicken. Let the chicken cook in the sauce for about 2 minutes. Make sure you baste the chicken with the sauce the entire time, and the flour on the chicken will help thicken the sauce very nicely. Go ahead and plate it up. Pour the sauce all over it. Then this yumminess is ready to be enjoyed. The sauce is nice and thick, very flavorful. The chicken came out really tender and delicious. I served this with mashed potatoes. It was so good. You can enjoy with rice or pasta. It will be delicious. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for watching. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye!